is cold, can't feel my feet. The walls are close and I can't breathe, but I'm trying hard to find the light. Open the curtains and I find that I cannot see. No, I cannot see. Said I cannot see through the rain out my window. Oh, I cannot see. No, I cannot see. Said I cannot see through the rain. Pace the floor and try to think. I normalize being on the brink.
Today's class is a morning. Then exhale, round back, drawing your navel back and lowering your ribs down to your hips. 3 more. Both heels up and exhale, lower your heels down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, control down. 8 more. Keep your hips nice and still. You're just lifting your heels up and down. 4 more. Try to lower your heels down with as much control as you can so that you find a nice little shape through your legs. 7, little higher. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your hips out, crunch in. Inhale, extend. 8 more like this. Really pulling your knee in towards your chest. Sweep your arm back, lift your hips for wild thing. And exhale, lower your hips with control. And again, inhale, lift your hips. Shine your chest up to the sky. And exhale, lower. 2 more. Finding a deeper opening through your reach your arms back as you shine your chest up to the sky. Relax down into your hips, feeling a beautiful and lift your chest as you melt down into your hips.
Alright, so I'm about to detangle it with some, I put some flaxseed gel in here, and I'm going to detangle it with that and then wash it tomorrow. Just wear it overnight and wash it tomorrow. But before I was doing that, I really just been chilling all day. I've been chilling all day, and I'm just trying to learn how to not do nothing. Like, I feel like I can struggle with always feeling like I have to do something. I have to be doing something. And so I was just chilling, spending time with God, laying down, and here I am about to do my hair, and I'm watching 17 again as well. I hope y'all been having a good day so far. Like, it's ridiculous how much my hair shrinks. Like, why? You know? Like, I'll put twists in it, and then it just doesn't stay elongated. Like, y'all seen how, you know, big it was earlier. Plus, it could get bigger, but it's stubborn, honestly. I think it's because I've been natural all my life. I've never had a perm. I've dyed my hair, which was the worst mistake. I've dyed my hair purple. But it was like dark purple. It wasn't like one of them like bright purples. But then that like ruined my hair. So it started breaking off, and it changed my natural hair color. Like, my hair color now is like brownish reddish, but my natural hair color before I dyed it was jet black. And I've been contemplating dyeing it that as well, but I'm like kind of scared to do that. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna do that for real. I really want to cut it back into a bob, which it look like it's a bob now, but it's not. Like, it shrinks so much. It shrinks so much. It's so annoying because like certain styles look better when it's bigger, but my hair just wanna, like, I promise you, when I wash my hair, it looks like I have like one of them little afros. Like, it's crazy how much it shrinks, but I guess that's a sign that it's healthy, which I'm grateful for. But it's like, dang, I'd be wanting, you know, to wear my hair out without having to worry about it shrinking. Because I went outside for about not even that long, and you know, it's humid outside, so that explains this. But I'm about to do it. I don't know how I'm gonna style it tomorrow. I don't know. That's why I just put on a wig or put in a protective style, because I feel like my hair does better when I just leave it alone, and it grows a lot faster when I leave it alone for a longer duration. So that's what I'm about to do again. Just put it in a protective style and leave it like that for a minute, and I'll probably get it straightened soon. That's what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about getting it straightened and trimmed, because I know that needs to happen, because my hair has been getting really tangled at the ends. So I'm gonna do that. I got my juice here with me because I need it for sure. And so I'm gonna just thug it out. It's about what, almost 10 o'clock, I think, but it's okay. It's Friday, so I ain't tripping about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair. Bye.